Let's see how easily you can connect your Sony WH-CH720N headphones to an iPhone 16, 16 Pro Max or any other iPhone. Let's see the process. First, put your headphones in pairing mode, press and hold the power button until the blue light starts blinking, and make sure they're not connected to any other devices. Now on your iPhone, from your control center, tap and hold the connection folder and go for Bluetooth. Now Bluetooth settings. Now from here, wait for your headphones to appear in the list of available devices. Now select your Sony WH-CH720N from the list, and you are all set. For further customization on your iPhone, download the Sony Headphones Connect app from the App Store, connect your headphones, and manually adjust the settings from here. Isn't it really cool? Now enjoy your music wirelessly on your iPhone. I hope this guide helpful. Like the video and subscribe for more tips.